Girls are more likely to chase guys who do this. If you've ever wondered why some guys have women chasing after them while others are left on the sidelines, it's not about luck. It's about knowing what triggers attraction. It's not always about looks or money. Sometimes it's the little things that make all the difference. Here are 7 things you can do to make girls more likely to chase you. 1. Be mysterious, but not distant. Here's the deal. Girls love a little mystery, but there's a fine line between being mysterious and being emotionally unavailable. The key is to leave her wanting more without making her feel like you're unreachable. Don't lay out your entire life story or constantly share every detail about your day. Instead, let her wonder a bit about you. The right amount of mystery sparks curiosity, and curiosity makes her want to figure you out. Just make sure you're not so distant that she loses interest. Balance is everything. 2. Show confidence without arrogance. Confidence is a huge turn-on, but here's the catch. No one likes arrogance. If you want girls to chase you, own who you are without acting like you're better than everyone else. Walk into a room like you belong there, but don't go out of your way to prove it. Be comfortable in your own skin, and don't seek validation from others. Girls are drawn to men who know their worth but don't need to flaunt it. It's that quiet, assured confidence that leaves them wondering what makes you so secure, and that curiosity often leads to attraction. 3. Have a life outside of her. Here's a secret. Girls are far more likely to chase a guy who has his own life, goals, and passions. If you're constantly available, waiting on her texts, or dropping everything for her, she'll lose interest fast. Instead, focus on your own ambitions, hobbies, and social life. When she sees that you're living a full, exciting life, it makes you more attractive because you're showing her that you don't need her to feel fulfilled. When you have your own thing going on, she'll want to be a part of it. Independence is irresistible. 4. Use playful teasing to build tension. Playful teasing creates a fun, flirty dynamic that's hard to resist. When you can make her laugh while also challenging her a bit, it builds chemistry without being overbearing. The key here is to keep it light. Tease her in a way that makes her smile, not feel insecure. Whether it's poking fun at her taste in music or joking about something small, teasing creates a back-and-forth energy that keeps things exciting. When done right, teasing adds a little tension that makes her want to engage with you more, just to see what you'll say next. 5. Be genuinely interested in her, but don't overdo it. One of the fastest ways to get a girl chasing you is to show real interest in her life. But here's the catch. Don't come on too strong. Ask her about her passions, listen when she talks, and remember the small things she tells you, but don't overwhelm her with too much attention. There's a sweet spot where you're interested, but not smothering. When you show that you care about what she has to say without bombarding her with constant attention, she'll start to crave your presence more. 6. Stay calm under pressure. Whether it's dealing with a stressful situation or handling an argument, the way you respond under pressure says a lot about you. Girls are drawn to men who can stay calm and composed, no matter what's going on. If you can handle life's curveballs with confidence and grace, it shows that you're someone she can rely on. 7. Make her feel special, not just desired. Most guys make the mistake of focusing too much on physical attraction, but what really makes a girl chase you is when you make her feel special, not just wanted. Compliments are great, but it's even more powerful when you acknowledge the things that make her unique. Show appreciation for her intelligence, her sense of humor, or her passion for something she loves. When she feels like you see her for more than just her looks, it creates a deeper connection that leaves her wanting more of your attention.